easy and simple tricks to remember the cranial nerves, how you can memorize these nerves, their names, their nature and their function, very simple and very easily. So keep on watching. I'm going to discuss. In this tutorial we will discuss 3 things related to the cranial nerves. The very first one is name of the cranial nerves, then their nature, either they are sensory, motor or mixed in nature, and functions of these nerves. So going to the first one, and that is the mnemonics used for the cranial nerves. The first nerve is olfactory, then optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducens, facial, vestibular, cochlear, glossopharyngeal, vagus, accessory and hypoglossal. So the mnemonic used for this, very classical mnemonic and used from the past, and this is the on occasion or trusty truck acts funny, very good vehicle anyhow. On occasion or trusty truck act funny, very good vehicle anyhow. So from on, the first letter from all these are used is the first letter of the cranial nerves. So from on, O is used for olfactory, from occasion O is used for optic, from our O is used for oculomotor, from trusty T is used for trochlear, from truck T is used for trigeminal, from X A is used for abducens, from funny F is used for facial, from very V is used for vestibular cochlear, and so on. In this way you can memorize these all nerves easily. The second mnemonic we are having, this is for the nature of the cranial nerve. So we know that the first and second nerves are sensory, the third and fourth are motor, the fifth one is mixed in nature, the sixth one is both, then both sensory, both motor and motor. So the mnemonic we are having for this is some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter more. Some say marry money, but my brother says big brain matter more. So from some, S is for sensory, from say S is for sensory, from marry M is for motor, from money M is for motor, from but B is for both. So in this way you can memorize these all the nerves and their nature. We have 2 mnemonics. So one is occasion, on occasion or trusty truck acts funny, very good vehicle anyhow, and the second is some say marry money, but my brother says big brain matter more. And next we are having shortcuts to memorize cranial nerves functions. So how you can memorize? Let's drawing the 7th nerve. It is facial nerve. So we draw the 7th nerve. This is, let's say, the nerve number 7th, and it is like face, so it is facial nerve. The nerve number 1 is olfactory nerve, and it brings signals or olfaction from the nose. So we draw it on this region, and this is olfactory nerve, its function is olfaction. Then this nerve number 2, which is also called optic nerve, and we draw it on the region of the eyes. So this is, let's say, this is the 2nd nerve, and it is known as a optic nerve. We draw in the place of eyes. So this is the 2nd one, and play a role in the bringing signals or optic information or vision sensation from the eyes to the brain. And then we are going to draw the nerve number 12th, which is known as hypoglossal nerve, and it play a role in the movement of tongue. So we are going to draw the tongue. This is, let's say, tongue, and nerve number 12 play a role in the movement of tongue. And then we are going to draw the nerve number 11th. It is in the neck region, and it play a role in the movement of the neck, turning of the head, and so on. So this is nerve number 11. Nerve number 8, which is known as vestibular cochlear nerve, and it play a role in the hearing and also in the balancing of the body. So it is 8, we are drawing it on the region of the ear because it play a role in the hearing and balancing of the body. Then the nerve number 4th also play a role in the movement of the eye, so we draw it here. And the nerve number 9th, which is known as glossopharyngeal nerve, and it play a role in the swallowing and throat sensations, so we draw it deep in the pharynx region. This is nerve number 9th. In this way you can memorize these nerves easily. So if you like this type of videos, please keep subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thank you so much.